Hey, how's it going? So let's go ahead and jump into it. To begin creating new blogs for your website using Claude and Notion, we're going to start with this very simple prompt that I've already written that I pasted right here. So you can read it, but what it's saying is, hey, research, write, and then add 3 new blog posts to my Notion database that I'm designating as all posts. Um, that are specifically titled these 3 titles here, as you can see. But take a look at some of the previous blogs that I've written that I have over here and get an understanding of the tone, voice, structure, and format that I've used in my previous blogs. And then I add a couple things here at the bottom that say, well, be sure to add a cool cover photo to each of the blogs, which would be like a cover photo you see up here, as well as just be sure to format the blogs with headlines. So we'll go ahead and tell Claude to do that. It will take a minute or two. It's a pretty big task to ask Claude to both research, write, and then add these new posts from start to finish into our Notion database. But as that's taking place, I'm going to walk through a couple other things regarding this setup. So if there is interest in how I've built this Notion website that doesn't just look like a Notion page, let me know, reply or comment below. I'd be more than happy to dive into that and walk you through how I've done this. But yeah, this is the Notion website built on top of a Notion page. And you can see it includes the author, the published date, and a really well written blog. Now, if we jump back to our Notion page, you will see that blog, latest breakthroughs in biotech and robotics, here in our Notion database. But let me jump over here. So you may get these questions from blog that say, hey, I'm looking for this additional access or permission. Not a problem. That's nothing to worry about. I always allow access. So if you did follow along a couple weeks ago when I initially set up the Claude Notion MCP setup or build, if you will, you would have remembered that we had to go to our profile integrations page and we had to add Claude MCP as a new integration, if you will. This is where we give it the ability to read, update, and insert new content into our Notion workspace. If you didn't just allow access to your entire Notion workspace, which was actually what I recommended, we will need to update the access here, which will be done by editing access. And if you duplicate this page here, let me show you what the main page looks like. If you duplicate this page to your Notion workspace, which I'll include the link conveniently for you to access and duplicate, you can just jump back over here. And as long as you haven't changed the name of it, you can search the name of it. Of course, I've already added mine, but this won't be grayed out for you and it won't say already added. Click it, click update access, and you're golden. And this just allows Claude MCP to now access this main page here and all of the other pages that are linked to it. So let's check in on Claude, see how it's doing. Okay, so now it's already working on the second blog. Let's take a sneak peek at that first one. And here it is. So you'll see it categorized it. It said a publish date. It said the status to publish. It will add in an author here in a minute. It may still be working on it. And you can see how it's sectioned off all of the content. It's written a nice headline, some good body content based on the topic I provided it. So this is just so amazing. If you're a business owner who knows you need to put out content, but you struggle to create it, this is one click of a button, not AI slop, good content that can generate eyeballs and impressions for your business, your product, your service. Okay, so now it's already working on the next one, the third one, and you can see this one has a nice cover photo. This was the second one that it did. And it's just fantastic. It's great content, and that's one of the things Claude is known for, is its ability to research and to write. Some say better than ChatGPT. I'm still a very big ChatGPT fan myself, but I have become more and more impressed with Claude and its ability to do those things. So really cool stuff. So it's working on the third one. We can see as it's working over here, and we can see content start to update in our Notion database. So it's got the title of it, and it's kind of cool. It even sets the status to draft as it's working on it. But I may fast forward here until it's done with this third blog post, and we'll pick it up from there. Okay, so one thing here, you'll see Claude acted like it provided the entire response to us, but it will also present this warning that says, hey, I reached the max length in my message. Like I mentioned at the beginning, this is a really big ask of Claude. If yours does this, like it has done for mine consistently, press continue and just let it carry on. Okay, so it is now researched, written, and added all three of these new blogs to my Notion database. We can see those three here with the names that I told it that I wanted them to be called. So let's jump over to our website real quick. Go. Let me make that full screen. Wonderful. So you can see our three new blogs here at the top with the names that we provided it. Let's click into one of them. Yep. Formatted with headlines. Great content too if we were to take a second and read it. Really, really cool, impressive stuff. I mean, hey, within the matter of 5 minutes, as I typically make these tutorials, 3 brand new blogs to the website. It's not perfect. There are instances, like you can see, where the header image is producing an error for this blog. This is where you could just jump back into Notion. Oh, excuse me. Pull up that blog and drop in your own cover image. My computer's running a little slow, but that's the idea. There you go. So yeah, hey, not perfect, but what? It takes the average person 45 minutes to an hour to knock out one blog from start to finish. I knocked out 3 that are really, really good quality in 3 minutes. You could come back through here, make tweaks as you see fit, cover photos, text, citations, whatever it may be. But I mean, talk about a fast forward and a quick head start to producing new content for your business. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you do want me to walk through in coming weeks how I built this Notion website, please reply, comment below, let me know you're interested, and that's something I would love to cover. But until then, I'll see you later. Cheers.